What if I told you that you can create a professional product ad video using an AI? Let me show you something cool, but before we do, I want you to watch this video.
Let me show you one simple thing I've added to my skincare routine. This is the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser, and honestly, I really like how simple it makes cleansing. It helps remove dirt and excess oil, while the formula contains ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide. What I really appreciate is that it leaves my skin feeling clean and refreshed without that uncomfortable tight feeling.
This was a video I used this AI that I'm about to introduce to you guys to create this product video ad. So with Nextify AI, you can create a professional product video ad using this platform. So with Nextify AI, you can upload my image and then paste this prompt. So let's see. So ChatGPT is trying to generate our image for us. So let's see what ChatGPT is going to generate for us. This is the prompt, is very long, so I'm going to leave it in the description of this video so you guys can actually use it. If you actually want to use it, you can just modernize the prompts and then use it. Okay, so actually this was the image that ChatGPT generated for us. As you can see, it looked exactly like me, very perfect. But there is one thing that we actually have to do right now. So we're going to click on this edit and then put some little prompts here. Tell ChatGPT to enhance our image. Can you enhance the quality of this image to 8K resolution, make it more sharp, clean and clean. Yeah, I think that is okay, fine. Then I'll click enter. So actually let's wait and see what ChatGPT is going to bring for us. So let's see what it's going to bring for us. So as you can see, ChatGPT have enhanced the image for us. I think it's actually good, but when I actually want to generate my video, I know what I'm going to do. Okay, so I think the image is fine. So now the next thing that we are going to do is for we to ask ChatGPT to give us 4 or 5 different UGC product that we actually want to advertise or want to talk about. Okay, so now what I will do, I'm going to say, can you give me 5 UGC product video product image or product idea just 5. Okay, let's see. So you actually mention all this for us. So what we are going to do, we are going to click on the rechargeable portable blender and visual. So I'm going to click on this number 5 and then I will tell him that can you write image prompts for this product for me. Let's see. Send it, and then ChatGPT is going to write this image product for us. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to tell him to generate the image product. Now you generate the image product. So we're going to send it. So let's wait. ChatGPT is going to generate this image product for us, just like what you are seeing here. It's about to generate the image product. So as you can see, ChatGPT have generated the product for us, the image product for us. So what we are going to do, we're going to click on save to save this image, and then I'll save my own image as well. So I'm going to come back here and then tell ChatGPT to write me a advert business video script for this product, for this product. Make it short but well engaging. Okay, then I will click send. So let's see, ChatGPT is going to write. So actually this is it. It just give us a 25 to 30 second video script. So this is it. So what we are going to do, we are going to go over to the website now. So here I'm going to minimize and then come over to this website. Okay, so this is the website that we are actually using. It's called the Nextify AI. So as you can see, it say create video ad, viral cloning. So what we are going to do, since we are creating a video for our advert, we are going to click on the frame, okay, and then click on and upload our video, our image, and then click on this very one, and then click on this, and then upload our product. Then what we are going to do, we are going to come over to this place, and then click on this. I'm coming, guys, hold on, and then drag it down, and then copy it, come over here and paste your script, okay, that ChatGPT give us. So what we are going to do, we are going to increase the second of this video. So we are going to put it on 15 seconds, and then we'll leave it like this and increase the ratio. So we are using 300 credit, and click generate. So I actually generated 2 video. So this very one and this very one.
Still buying expensive smoothies every day? Wait till you see this. This little rechargeable blender lets me make a fresh smoothie almost anywhere. Just add your fruits, close it, and blend. No bulky blender, no complicated setup. Just press one button and you're good to go. And look at that, fresh, smooth, and ready in seconds. If you love smoothies, this is one gadget you'll actually use. Get yours today.